Okay, I am going to start chapter 4 of your science, that is carbon and its compounds. In this chapter, the main element is our carbon. Okay, why carbon is most important in this chapter? The answer is it can form infinitely many number of compounds. Infinitely many number of compounds. Okay, it can form infinitely many number of compounds. Now, how it can form many number of compounds, that is the question. And what are the properties of carbon, that is also the question. The first property of the carbon is tetravalent. Tetravalent. Tetra means 4, valent means valency. Okay, how it is tetravalency we have to see. The atomic number of carbon is 6 and the electronic configuration is 2, 4. In the K cell 2 electrons, in the L cell 4 electrons. Okay, now how to calculate the valency? As per the rule, if in the last cell 1, 2, 3, 4 number of electrons are there, then they are the direct valency. That means if the last cell 1 electron is present, then valency is 1. If the last cell 2 electrons are present, then valency is 2. If 3 electrons, then valency is 3. If 4 electrons, then valency is 4. But if 5, 6, 7 like electrons present, then you have to subtract the number from 8. Okay, that means if 5 number of electrons present, then 8 minus 5, that is 3. If 6 electrons present, 8 minus 6, that is 2. If 7 electrons present, 8 minus 7, that is 1. Like this. This is the way to calculate the valency. In standard 9, we have already discussed. So now see, in the last cell, 4 number of electrons are present. So what is the structure of carbon? You see, suppose it is the carbon central part, nucleus is present. It is your K cell. In the K cell, suppose we have 2 electrons. Okay, 2 electrons are present. It is the K cell. And the next cell is our L cell. In the L cell, 4 electrons are present. So these are the 4 electrons. Now tell me what is the maximum capacity of L cell, that is 8. Maximum capacity of L cell is 8. That means we need more 4 atoms. Okay, we need more 4 atoms to connect in this place 1, 2, 3, 4, or to make the last cell 8, we need any 4 more electrons or more 4 charges. How we can do this? I can give any example. You see, you know the valency of hydrogen is 1. It has only 1 electron and 1 proton. So in each valency, I can add 1 number of hydrogens. Here also 1, here also 1, here also 1, and here also 1. See, now the octant is filled. Octant means the last cell 8 number of electrons filled. This is known as the filling of octane. Okay. So therefore it is called tetravalency. Now tell me what is the mass number of carbon? Mass number is 12. Okay. Mass number of carbon is 12. How it is 12? As 6 number of protons present and 6 number of neutrons present. Okay. Therefore it is 12. Atomic number is 6. That means electrons also 6. 6 number of electrons are present. Okay. Now tetravalency is the first region. Now we can discuss about the second region one by one. But before coming to the next region, we should detailedly discuss about the tetravalency. Tetravalency. Okay. Remember, in the tetravalency, that means the atom can donate 4 electrons or cannot donate 4 electrons, cannot accept 4 electrons. Write down. Cannot donate and cannot accept. Here the 4 electrons, it cannot donate, it cannot accept. Only the sharing of electrons or pairing of electrons can be done. That means only covalent bond can be formed. Only covalent bond can be formed. No ionic bond. No ionic bond. Remember. Okay. No ionic bond. When the ionic bond form between metal and metal or metal non-metal. Okay. But in the ionic bond, the electron donate also takes place, the electron accept also takes place. What is the problem? If it will donate 4 electrons, that we must know. If carbon will donate 4 electrons, then there will be only 2 electrons. Okay. Then carbon will not exist. Okay. Carbon will not exist. And the next part is if it will accept 4 electron. If it will accept 4 electron, it has 6 number of protons. Previously 6 electrons are already present. If you will add more 4 electrons, then it will be 10 electrons. And the 6 number of protons cannot manage 10 electrons. Okay, it is very difficult to manage 10 electrons by 6 protons. It is one problem by accept of 4 electrons. And donate of 4 electrons, another problem is also there. To donate 4 number of electrons, it requires more energy. And it has only 6 electrons. So it has not more energy to donate 4 number of electrons. This is the reason behind this tetravalency and the formation of covalent bond. That means it cannot donate 4 electrons, it cannot accept 4 electrons. Only the sharing and pairing of electron can be takes place.